Yes, 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 yes. We'll do it. Come on, come here. Click, clickety click. Oh, okay. Choose a plot. Murder, most foul. Uh, and let's automatically invite people. Is there anyone specifically going? Yeah, I'll join. I want to kill that little boy. That like 10-year-old boy, whatever age he is. 14-year-old boy. Uh, this does not bode well. I could send her some money. Give her money. Give her money. Send gift. There you go. There's something nice for you. Uh, we have one. Yeah, we have one. Lol. Now, we're going to do something great here. We're going to create the Duchy of Connacht. Because we have both the de jure titles. Clickety click. And now we're going to create. Did it accept create there? Yeah, okay. Just let me do it. Yeah. Yeah, we changed color too. Like a chameleon. Doesn't that look pretty? I like the border, black and gold. Now, what will we build here? Um, these are built using prestige. I'm going to go for the market village. Yeah, market village. 337 paid. Goodbye. Goodbye, you weakest link. Mm. Do 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 do. Now, oh, look at our new thing. Oh, that's so cool. The interwoven fish. Look at their tails. He goes around and his tail goes up. Ah, it's a bit fishy, if you ask me. Tribal organization. Let's put that to low. Okay. 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 Cool. Cool beans there. Uh, our military points are coming along. What does a found a new kingdom do? A powerful king such as yours truly deserves to be recognized as something more. Perhaps the time came a place in the sun. Has prestige of 1,000. Well, we're well within that. Realm must be at least 35. So, okay, we won't be doing that. That won't be happening. Organize the Fianna. Group landless warriors into elite band of brothers that will defend their fellow Gaels. Is King of Ireland. Okay, we are doing that. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Holds an Tolchin. The games were founded by Lou Lovhoda, Lou of the long arm or long hand, depending on translation, the Olav Aaron. I think he was like the head god, or certainly he was up there, as a mourning ceremony for the death of his foster mother, Talchu. The event is held during the last fortnight of July and culminates with the celebration of Lunasa. It's the celebration in August, because August is Lunasa. Has prestige of 500. Oh, that looks so cool. I'm going to execute you. I don't know who you are. Execute. I'm not going to execute the child. I'm going to let the child go. I'm not a monster. I'm not a monster. Whereas this child I'm going to kill. I mean, I'm a good boy. Do 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 do. Now, what will we do here? Part of me's tired of waiting for this guy to fabricate the claim, but another bit of me is stubborn and wants to leave it until last. So we shall. Let's go for this guy. Declare war. Okay, fine. Completely close the message tab. Yes, I'm sure I'm ready. Send. Oh, I did not see what allies he had. Oh dear. None. Okay. Oh, that is such a cool crest. Oh. Go away. Is he attacking us? He got balls. No, he's going to Kildare. To Kildare! To Kildare we go, to Kildare we go, to Kildare we go, oh we go to Kildare. Oh, okay. He's not going to Kildare anymore. I'm going to him. Go this way. Clicky, 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 clicky. Oh, okay. That's all the horses running. They're like. I bit my tongue like 3 times. Ow. Ow. Inept doesn't even begin to comprehend. Oh, the army of Barfind. Hello, Barfind. You're a fine warrior. You're a fine warrior. Finish. Okie dokie, okie dokie, okie dokie. Open up the tab. Let's build something here. What? Oh, you're annoying me today, game. You're annoying me today, game. Well, okay, it's not the game that's doing it. It is the laptop. So I apologize. Aha! We've caught you. Yeah. Ah! Swing those swords. Okay, one flank has already surrendered. Our archers are taking care of the center flank, center column, and they're cutting them down to size. They're filling them full of arrows. What was another way to put that? They're filling them full of arrows. They're going pew pew pew. They're like skunk. Those are the noises they make, but on the scale of hundreds. It's amazing what you can do with a little bit of mercenaries. Or zealots. Come on with the thing. There's only 120. There's only 44 left. Yay! Yay! Oh, I completely destroyed the army. Oh, that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, I could attack. No, I won't. It'll go badly for me. It always goes badly for me. What percentage are we whittling them down by every month? Minus 13.7. Cool. Cool. That's great. So next time it'll be 72.6. Yes? Oh, okay. 14th. So on the 26th it will be 60, 59, 58.9. Yeah, I'll get a druid. Okie dokie. Invite druid to court. Who's 10? Okay. Dum dum dum. Oh. Master of Law, Servant of the Gods. We'll go for the gods again because this is really about just the religion of it. Rogalok will arrive. Hello, Rogalok. What's your video? Oh, you're okay. You're not as good as the last guy. Is it? Okay. Does that make him... Oh, no, that's fine. That is fine. So we still got the good guy and we kept everybody happy. This is great. Everything's coming up. Millhouse. Millhouse. House. Millhouse. In the street. So that will be 32. 31.5. And then only maybe two ticks after that. 2 siege ticks. They're massive things. They leech onto buildings and they suck all the blood out of them, so they crumble, and then the people laying siege can get into the castle. Siege ticks. Be warned. They're terrifying. They're massive, like, balloon whale creatures with, like, 6 legs and hair everywhere. Oh, they're big front, like, pincher things that they use for burrowing in and going to all the liquid. Ugh. Whoa, that's fucking terrifying. Yeah. Oh, I've got 2 left. Ugh. Siege ticks. Oh. Come on. Finish with the old siegery there. Ah. Scratching me foot. Scratching me foot. On a chair. What? Only 90. I have to go through another feckin' siege.